So this is the unboxing of the OLIGHT S1A BATON torch. You get 220 lumens with it, but if you put the 14,500 rechargeable lithium battery inside, you get a maximum of 600 lumens with it. Now it's a tiny little torch. You can also put AA batteries in there as well. A total of 25 days running and 71 meter throw as well. So I'm going to unbox this and basically show you what comes inside the box and hopefully try to put this in there as well to see what we've got. So this is the actual torch and this is the box it comes with. I will put a link in the at the end of the video, at the bottom of the video, so you can click on it and go to Amazon to buy this, because there's different flavors of this torch on Amazon. However, this is the one that comes with a 14,500 battery that does give you the 600. So if we start by just ripping this box open, bear with me. There you go. We'll just put this aside. The boxing is really professional, so it actually does look quality. You've got the manual in there as well, that, again, useless. So you get this little thing in there as well. I do like the quality of this. It does look professionally made. It doesn't look like a little cheapo put together. So it says OLIGHT on there, and you've got this little thing in there as well. So let's take the torch out. It's stuck there with this little elastic band. Apparently you're supposed to keep the elastic band somewhere for something, I don't know. So let's not bin this. I'm gonna get rid of that. It's tiny, it is really, really tiny. So it's called the S1A BATON. And I'm just gonna unscrew the back. It's got a little clip on the side as well. It's really nice. It does actually feel quality. There's a switch on the side. It feels like it's magnetic as well. I think it is from the reviews I've read. We'll have to try it on something magnetic. Now be careful because there's a pin over here. I'm not going to throw this across. Just put it on the side there. Yeah, just pressing the button doesn't actually do anything. So let's just see what the battery situation is on there. So it actually does come with a standard battery, but there is a plastic guard there to stop it from turning itself on when it's in the box. It says do not recharge. So let's open this little thing now. So this is the 14,500 rechargeable battery, and it gives 3.7 volts, but hey, who cares, as long as we can get into it. It's the most important thing. So this is the actual torch. If we put it in here like this, it definitely is magnetic, and oh my goodness, it is really, really powerful as well. So I'm quite impressed with that. Let's just screw this in, and if we do that now, we should actually get something out of it. There you go. Oh my goodness. Okay, so that is really, 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 really bright. I'm very, very impressed with that. So I'm going to give this a try and then see how it goes, I guess. But from the first looks, it is really impressive. Add your comment to the bottom of the video if there's anything you want to say, or if there's any more questions that you want to ask, and then we'll take it from there. Thanks for watching.